Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Instagram Reels copy link option not showing. So let's jump right in. If you're attempting to copy a link from an Instagram post, video, or caption, but you can't find the option to do so, I can guide you through each step to resolve the issue. First, open the Instagram app. Then navigate to the Reels section and select the video you wish to copy the link for, and click on the three dots icon to access the further options. And when you tap on the three dots, you may notice that the option to copy the link is not immediately visible and it is hidden. Instagram has made a change where the copy link option is now accessible through the share link icon. At the bottom, you will find the copy link option allowing you to successfully copy a link from an Instagram reel. The same process applies to Instagram posts and stories as well. The copy link option can be found within the airplane icon. When you tap on the airplane icon, you will see the option to copy the link at the bottom of the screen. This allows you to copy the link from Instagram posts, stories, and reels using a consistent method. And there you have it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and leave a comment in the comment section down below.